Spexels Opticians abubale clinic kyagudika imeyo muchukisi nkurwa bare bokoreri ao asamangana ya maiso nako ni birole magiga jogo korenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano neiseto nemeronge tano na boige setingima ase chishilingi elweyemo ne chimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bare angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyo muchukisi na boko bakire simi ase namba enoti eyemo enoti isano marakabire enoti eyemo. Spexels Opticians, Good Car Clinic, macho bora kwa wote. Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi. Korwa chikaunti cha Kisii na Nyamira Goika Ensenkima eye ni Emanyie Jumatato na Everline OSER0 na Vincent Onyancha.
Mwanjumo ligeribano bunabotambe Emanyie Jumatato.
Na manga korekana imeyense ya Kenya sorogongo rwa Gusii ekerobono tugukwariganira senchira ere yobwekiranu eryo twakomanya ekero tukubwatirana nabasaki baito abaweta chinsemo awanena se county ya Nyamira na bage county ya Kisii eryo tumanya buna nara yagendera tugukorekana ase chinsemechi
asingongo chonsi buno botambe gano tukanya ko ya sansamurana aseribwa ekerobono lituko lya Jumatatu stariki 29 umutenyo gatano umwaka w'ekiri bubere na 23 na mange abereka okorekana aito guchukumanya se margoba ya bono unabotambi ma Jumatatu egano togusanga tomanya unabereka okorekana chingongo cha sensa neyemo ya margoba
nyero no mwanchi mulgerira sense mere ya Facebook na bokogendera gotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asense mo ya YouTube gotonyora gwetera Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter na botwitwetera @Ndizi TV News
tangani kigima tonyora mangana y'umunchu mulgerira senchira yoko ya chuta
mundu sereti ndogeri wana ndocenge
twachirega iga tusesetiza abantu beito toba information muruga iga tugukora tuchikwenda chibarasa tutete kwikerekera omuntu paka vulnerable groups
abasubati gosemwe igoryo bochenu anene chinga kibarasa matukabo ekero lyari litkorio gochengera World Menstrual Day.
Our county commissioners, our DCC, muende muite machifu wetu mukubaliane wapeane list yote ya ile watu wanauza bangi sababu wanawajua.
Mokonyi bwo murai bwenseri gadigashawa wachikaba county commissioner nabagambiko bwaterana soko eneki ya oboenki obotumeki nabo igobone bwebinyuwa byo gotinda bitanche iri bwaerire
na uteremshe bei ya vitu ambazo zinaleta investors. Sasa hivi ukiteremsha bei ya umeme investors wataona urahisi wa kufanya biashara Kenya.
Abachumbe kuri omrengo azimio la umoja kugania serikali kweyeria amagori y'ebinto eri gokonya soko arigania ababwatani bogokinia obonchureria. Mwanchi umulgereria ayu amunaenda mange tukwarigania tukumanye na tukwariganirete asenchira ere yobwikiranu imeye Emanyie Jumatato ireteriane Everline OSER0
oli tukubwatira nere goetira somuna wimanyererio higakoro kwa Joshua Auta ireteriane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Tukwarigani bonoto ya chaka senchira ya bene korwase county ya Kisii awasomurai wech kanisa chia pefa sorogongo rwa Western Nyanza Simon Mosoti aberega kumochia ege kore kyo bishop Obonyo korwase kanisa ya pefa imeyanya mache oyo betega kobwato asamomocho yoko baunereria na koboria ni abagose abaigenwa be kanisa yo
kolengana no morandi ya bishop Obonyo ni gabangene tabegeno be kanisa ya Yebuna na chikobaligere chikadi gose visa chiko ira bana babo asenseri ya America asabeteka gusangiria ange milioni 3.5 abo asabaigene abo babete bakurwa kiro yo moshiringi 1000 amune 50 eria baira bana babo asenseri ya America
Ekinege tambukiro kia betege kogeche mona bagene abo hasibai mugetige tambukiro yo kumubeka byara wikabona buna oroboti gose buningane yaberege kugikirwa huna tokumanywa no muri kyoito tipo nasanya
Maiga yoko bekwa byara ko mu bishop oyo mo eiki ya eto yoko nyoko emanyekania buno mwaskofu monene weti kanisa tia pefa Emanyie county ya Kisii litukolia lero Bishop Simon Mosoti oyoro mutenerio monene weti kanisa tia pefa Emanyie Western Nyanza niganyara we sokia na kukikelia bororo enganeye
bona sabanta bale gucyunga inereria igare ko bangaineringa ko bayirale ngumbu eye pefa ntobwati program yokwenda ngumbu yale ko banga pefa nebwate program yokwenda ngumbu ninje yale koa igo yale koleta tuchorchi form banta bono baibeire chibese kende yonse nkege kworokinga pefa ne usikete gose ne mbaicho form kinde jonse ya pefa
Bishop Obonyo oyo aberega koliere lietalia kanisa ya pefa asoko urabanto chibesa asenchera yoko bangaina ko bachi passport na ko baligeria meremo chinse chesiko nigobono omo Bishop Simon Mosoti ateba nigo ba motenetie meremo maiga yoko iwa chimbwa chiaye nchiringia
igonale ko batairende oyo ntua motenetie gasi bono gale ko kole binto biaye weko monyene una na rigiwa se media nga obwate irwa bosongo kabwateri tuwa bosongo igachieta kabwateri itiba sale ko kole binto biaye muntu yo paka yachire wika attacks yabere ng'abantu bakuri gikibezi bao ni bintu byabata koleta oegwa nale go associate no muntu omwibi urase kanisa ime
ayonde tayo ouretwe besa buna yegete gotebekana kurende bono Bishop Obonyo tali mubwatani opefa nigabeiro mouri asoko ngaina abantu
igolende bono ase kanisa ya bosongo na igwete ngana bashirika ba pefa aiberete musiriko pefa tai aiberete nonoyo nande nkama yakobore kanisa ene nene ya pefa yimuna murocha aiga no mo bishop wakobera no nkobera bono gigaga gonale ko batebia rende muna yatangase twe uyiga kabeire umurayu bono murayo no kabero gonkonya noyo uyu na moroche gigaga korukwa Reverend Yandaro pefa gebwate all over Kenya igorende Yandaro gakuruka Kamega but is working in Kisii
komenta nayo ni gaerera mangana ya gochesa balikia mangana otuguterare chinkwa na chitali chingekeranu
amangana ya igotoko jabeka ngaya yo bwate twe yiyo keregento kiaye na ende karo twanyo batengarende bona mangana antoko muikeria tugate batiga bali babwate aibeire chibeze kiabo bamosoere bagenda ne serikali ekiara ntunto bwati ase kanisa ntobwati gekao geko chikugamba mangana yo bwibi ayo mu oyo bwate twe oyo bondali talio erita ya pefa inene we naende ntobwati program ende yonse yokwira abantu ngumbu na kaireta abantu bande mbaraka batebiti ne kigali akoni abantu bakone likigali kiabo kigali ekyako baone ntomanyeti kibese nkito kaigweta kaire kiabo bikigali igono nale ko batebirende nga ebine bintale ko kole byaye da binde mbili bya kanisa
Kulipoti ligeta seni kia Ndizi TV kurwase kanisa ya pefe kutoka ime ya daraja 2 Emanyie county ya Kisii elietalia nendi pon asanya
Miyamano murikeito dipo nasanya ase oroboti oroikiranu koru ase ensemo ya Nyamache. Togotigana nayo nigo owetwa kwaye Dolphin Nyang'ara ase bunge ya kaunti ya Nyamira kwa beire gogotuguterware ase kigambire kinene kia Milimani imeyo muchio Nairobi.
Kolengana no murachebina kurwa ase kigambiro kia Milimani imeyo kaunti ya Nairobi ni gobono moseri bwekine kyo Michelle Moyo abetega kumuchekyo mbekali kyo bocholi ne chimbe IBC nabo gobono ne kia makiri ya Jubilee asogote abuna ni goba otranete oyobonete kwa wali bagabuna nominated MCA ase bunge ya kaunti ya Nyamira na bakabwatoka Elieta ya Dolphin Nyang'ara liyo bagabaringe kubwatoka Elieta ya Michelle Moyo na koira ko basoera ase bono Michelle Moyo ni gabwe kinekyo nako wali bagalia bene gochiko obuna nominated MCA ase bunge ya Nyamira
ekinekyo nigo kiarenge bosi obumuna chebina Lucy Njuguna oyo nonya nabo oire orariaho kobwa kwaye Michelle Moyo una nominated MCA ase County Assembly ya Nyamira murikeito job mangi norboti orwaso bwime
Maiga yekoti ya Nyamira gotuguterare ogochorwa kwa Dolphin Nyang'ara bunomo MCA omochore gwetere kiama kia Jubilee asekina kiabekire na Michelle Omoyo nigo airete ekina eke ase koti enene ya Milimani kwa merelia okonacha okuo.
So the ruling shall be delivered.
Nigo Dolphin Nyang'ara abekire amamocho unatachore tune kiama kia Jubilee asenchira endonge asengencho atarenge omwaki ekura bwe county Nyamira chinga kichobocholi.
This is a position that comes after the will of the people has been done. That is when IEBC picks from the party list who to be nominated.
Usibomo na chieki na Lady Justice Lucy Njuguna aseke gambero ekenene kia Milimani loko tsikigotoka ase county ya Nairobi nigo chinse mochionsi cheikirana asogo tegererwa wekina ekyo asaba wakiri kuru chinse mochionsi wamererania igoro yekina ekyo
to the IEBC and the Speaker of the Nyamira County Assembly for compliance. Secondly, my lady, we pray that under section 78 a lady under section 78 subsection 5 of the Elections Act
first respondent and the leadership probably to address for those to see the elections of the Jubilee Party, which I represent here as delegate, has been represented by an individual who was going to choose the party as per the statutes and regulations. And this was been submitted by my colleague.
Omonachi ekina Lady Justice Lucy Njuguna na tuguterare ekinekyo na kona chabunense moyo bosweli wakanira ekina ekyo.
Since even on merits the appeal has no merit, it will not have any purpose for the court to strike and to appeal. As a consequence of the above, I make the following orders that all the appeals E001 of 2022, E001 of 2023 and E003 of 2023 are all dismissed for want of merit. Due to the nature of this matter, each party to bear its own costs.
Asebono Michelle Omoyo arachikoba omoteneneribe ward ye county Nyamira omochore wetera ase kiama kia Jubilee. Kurwase county Nyamira Gingo reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Mbia mwana murikeito job manki asoroboti ororikiranu korwase county ya Nyamira ekiombe yokoro bokonyi gochiase chiamate chitari kwenyara inse umuroberio Onyanyatoto Church Mission nigo ogendera ase bunge ya Kitutu Church North awase baba bakuru bokonyi gochiase abantu aho bakurwase chiamate chitari kwenyara
kolengana no omoteneni bo muroberio joyo norome ose women rep county ya Kisii Onyanyatoto nigate beribuna na agendera kubwato ko bokonyi gochia ase chinke chintaka nabagostari kwenyara asorogongo rwa Gusii and Emanyie County ya Kisii asiritukoria rero moyego ini gokorekana ase wodi ya monyerero uno mulikito Josephat Amisi agutumanya
abaibuli bonsi Emanyie County ya Kisii nigo baburiwe banyara ko bakwenekia obachenu abana chinyaruka anane chinka kibagenderete amone chisemi cyabo ayangorengana no muteneni wabangene Emanyie County ya Kisii Doris Jumatato asaikirana omorobeli odonya charity uyu nyara ko bakolekana Emanyie skuru ya ronge.
Hizi sanitary pads watoto wako na stigma, watoto ni wagonjwa. Wakati wako kwa periods wanaogopa ama mwalimu ataniita niandike kwa blackboard wapate nimeharibu kunyuma. Mtoto anaketi. Kama mwalimu ni mwanaume hajui kwa nini paskari ameketi. Tunataka na sisi tukiingia kwa choo tupate free sanitary pads.
Okwana kurua asemo yegoyo nigo Doris Jumatato anyareko baga kugikiria ogokina gwekerengo kyobogima imense ya Kenya asate abire nachikobaga kwenekia bona tibali gochikoba gwakira ekura aneno muswada ulio financial bill uyira achikobaga koletwa asebungenene asobwango iga
hiyo mambo ya finance bill kushinda tufanye tax wa mama Kenya tunafaa kufikiria jinsi ya kutumia idle land ndio tukue na enough food. Mwananchi akishiba hakuna kelele. Mama hana maji ya kupea ng'ombe ipate maziwa. Shwari una tax yeye nini? Watu wanapata mshahara una tax. Ukienda kununua kiberiti unalipa tax. Ukienda kununua unga unalipa tax. Saa hii unga ni pesa ngapi? Unga ni 200 and what? Unga ya ugali iko gali kushinda unga ya chapati.
Ndinere etakere kubekwaria ebunge. Bugwe to kumabwa komire tibago cyakinire omuba tutwa kaburu 20 bana bitire 70. Bana tuko cyangire bikara abantu bakanyire Christmas. Ase bincho ebintu bya komire. Bana gusabu na kwa no mutubate kora y'abantu. Bari gusaba ko tubate kureye ebiyo yo zikomatero de go finance bill eziaterelo.
Gati ya bali banyara ko bagwikirana somo yegoyo no mu MC we wodi ya monyerero Pito Tachi oyiboigo banyara ko baga koerera emirobeli anyalire ko baga kobekera abamenyi bensemeyo gati ya bokoenekia bunestima na boigo amache anyara ko bagwikira abamenyi abo
bara batebanga ntubata manse gayentanda ya kunyungaiga na kuana no muhimendra redinto bayete chimilioni bene denusu ase budget ya busogo tukawasia machaya kuru montaña ora lakini kana kuana no mona atakere na chatamente tangia ya mo na kimogo kaeba na machaya tanda na macharo sugu chakra next week eli baba tubaito banyora manche abantu barega ngara kurge sugu abantu bari sugu bara ni mata yestimia wacha andike kaya paya tuare ndiko mandre kaya na nyorwa baadhi ko barata bare transform ni moto ngo ikatuja kusuma takagara baito asili nchikira ki moto chagara bangi ba kwa na ngoriyeti basari siro ba apply baada mama tena nje chia mania budget ya county tu ya Busongo mechanganya kama ke lakini tuara sasa supplementary budget in the next 2 weeks abana kanyara bari
Kuripotiri kataseni Ndizi TV kure skuru ya ronge yego toka Emanyie constituency ya Kitutu Chache North Emanyie County ya Kisii eliterana Josephat Amisi
Mbia mono murikeito Josephat Amisi ase oroboti ururu ikirano getambukire ko mu women rep ya county ya Kisii Doris Donya abeirega ko gagokora eyo gokonya abantu batari ase cingachyo gosibakuru ase cingachyo kwenyara ndo cibuna ni getambukire kiya kigima
nabange ba kiarganire abo igoni maitena abantu bange magendrete okonyeka
unatomenyete iga abantu michando nao emichando neminge bagwetera ase cinganya anene guchi ase binyoro iso gutara ase binyoro mangana na manka abantu bagwetera korende kinege tambukire kiase omumerere pe county ya Kisii Doris Ndonyatoto na nini kiorokererie kiago kiase abantu bonsi bali babwato moyo muyabwo gokonya nende babwate nibo iri wesoke na gokonya bali batari kwenyara togotikana noroboti orurwaye Josephat Amisi nigo abasubati bachengera litkorio bocheni wabo goseri manyikanite buna menestro hygiene day iro rwente ko bachitarike 25 cyakiro mutinyo gatano nigo lyarengeri tukore igoro korende asenge njuri tukore igoro lyarenke weekend lyabali gochengerwa litkoria rero ase county ya Kisii awase serikali ye county ya Kisii kubwatirana nebyombe ao byesoke na gochengera litkeri na nene kwena na ebitamba byo bochenu gochiase abasubati anene abana banyaruka bechskuru
na korengana na bwatani kurwa sebyombe amone serikali nigo bono banyarire kuboria abali bakonyara gokonya banyare kurigereria umwana munyaruka naso konyara kwa watokera ebitamba byo bochenu elikonyara wekonya chinga kichiri bare ase chiri tuko ryo bochenu na boni go kubori wonse kwa rugo cha sabwatani bonse kone kona kubwatira na bare aso konyara kone kyangosira baro mwana omunyaruka
nanya boni ga basubati nabo iga abana banyaruka baburiwe gutuguterare amangana yabereka gotebekana yo burimo kubwatikana ne chinga kichiri kero bare asama tukabo ose ogotumye bitambe byo bochenu muri ketonde mo Stephen nabaga kubwatira roboti oru natigatoywe na raya yatwarganiretie
county ya Kisii nigo yabwatana kibirengererio nechinse mochinde chiense gochengera litkorio bochenu bwa basubati World Menstrual Day ababwatani korwe byombe ao bikwegerera amangana arengeta basubati nigo baikira nensemo ya Kisii University asomo chengorero okorekanira.
This is a day that has been celebrated since 2014 and for Kisii County this is the biggest magnitude we are marking this year. This brings together various partners from non-governmental organizations, governments, individuals and organizations. This event is meant to sensitize the community for this event because menstrual hygiene in this community is a rarely spoken.
Serikali niwe yasegetirwe gosiremero beribuneye asogosekererwa no konengetwo kwa basubati abaiseke engakibarasa matukabo kwagike rubokongu.
We are committed and that's why we are here. We are committed towards ending menstrual stigma. We are committed towards ensuring that our girls and women get good environment during the menstruation. Kwamba menstruation is a normal process ambayo inafanyika katika wanawake inayoanza katika umri wa miaka 8 hivi 9 ikielekea hadi miaka 50.
Takitwa cherega mpaka abana be skuru basemiwe enaende batebunga yebi tamba ebigotoka eribanya ko bakubitumia kenga kichabo kero bakororera tobati tamba ao biba kutumia alimo yani bakoroka one touch na ndombiro reusable agotumia na ndosibi na ndombiro bigo chokorosu biodegradable bigo bionsi mbiroro bigo togotebia serikali erusi tax gosinaende onge konyara ena ne bitamba ibosa ochiasa abana be skuru
ebimira no kwege no kobe kubwatikane na basubati ko basama tukabo nigo gwakanwa bokongu asebyombe byikirana byarwe ira yogosemia abantu asamangana arengaine no bochenu bwa basubati
tokere tokoroka myths and misconceptions tokoroka ebimira beito abantu bakagerete bire bibe bono abono monta kara kogenda mugondo akagere kara uchikwa chinyenye kara kororera rangi chingeni nabo chikunyara kuma gose omoise ko kororera rangi gose omongina tatakeri kwenda sinda goge kyagera korunga tari mosafi leke ntokyo mwaibya abantu abange babate banga tokunyara gusamba parts echiga bagotumika ngo gusamba tokonyora mwana that's why twachirega igato sesa taiza abantu beito toba information koruga igato gokora tochikwenda chibarasa tutete kuikerekera omuntu paka vulnerable groups.
No nyomo chengo yo goko bali maso mwaka nige serikali nebyombe binde byasabiri ko bekemerobeli yo gokonya abasubati konyora sanitary pads asamagoria inse.
So it's our call as an organization as AHF Kenya for the government to have a good political goodwill to supply and also to zero rates. Because at the moment we are importing sanitary towels. If the government can zero rate the taxes, it means we can acquire those those sanitary materials at a lower price.
Nabone menstrual cup nerororo eye gotumeka even more than 10 years. Nabo monta gotumeka in a cycle just to use in one cup ikiagera gotumeka matuko na tano again take and our access to water. Again to kene to kwanira lero team yetere we are committed. To tonye ne school abari mu ba committee abayibori even TSC ko make sure chicho chigachi abana nchire safe abaisike babate chicho chire friendly. Again na agenda go change pad yeri afeel comfortable tanyara ko abo.
Kuripoteria Ndizi TV kurua nsemo ya Chancellor's Pavilion Kisii University area tariane Ndemo Steven.
Miyamono murigeito Ndemo Stephen bono ase oroboti ororo ikranu nere byabonekera basbati bakurenda obocheni wemebere yabo anene chingaki chamatko abo. Kyora kone ndeke.
Asaba sabati abute ngomanya.
Wanje murigere togotikana nayo nigo murai Vincent Dr. William Samoei Ruto abaga koraige ikaro asumubuganyo yo moime mucho Nairobi erigo kwanira buna ense ya Kenya ebwenerete kogacha chibesa asogo konya koreta magendro imiyense.
Ruto gukwana kurwanseme ni gate bire bunamba chiko ene kengo tumeka bare senchira yo mutandao ko ene kibunna konya kina bare nabo gukinia ama baga yemeremo aiga sense ya Kenya na kuboria basa konya ko mugani enchira ye mtandao eriko nyara kwegendere bo igoni government rebuna serikali ya Kenya kwanza nebegete mirobere sani eriko nyara ko ene kengo nyara le gosira anana basa asoko nyara wekinia asamangana rengete uchumi na magendero.
All struggling, and all our businessmen are struggling, and our traders are struggling to make payments for goods and services from one country to another because of differences in currencies. And in the middle of all this, we are all subjected to a dollar environment. Kenyans want to pay for Tanzanian goods in dollars. Tanzania wants to pay for DRC goods in dollars. Egypt wants to pay. Why are we bringing dollars in the middle of our trade? This is the question we should be asking ourselves. And in the process, all our business people are stranded. Egypt cannot pay for our tea because they are looking for dollars. We cannot pay for their sugar because we are also looking for dollars. You know? And this is I had a conversation with President Orama of the Afri-Exim Bank, and they have built a mechanism where all our traders can trade in the local currency, and we leave it to the Africa-Exim Bank to settle all the payments in local currency.
Na chinga kieche kirayibona gendrete umurai wense William Samoei Ruto ni gamu aliganimo prime wense ya Russia aiga sense ya Kenya omaka umenyakanite buna saje Lovelove oyubono nyara gotarense ya Kenya haso kunyara kwagacha na kubeko bwa matobya gati yense ya Kenya na Russia. Ruto ni gati biruna mbaje ko andra gotingyo bwa mate gati ya Russia na Kenya anaso kunyara koligerelia amangana lengeta magendra no we Kenya kiuchumi na boigo na amangana lengete oborendi.
Togotikana nayo nigo serikali gendrete kwene kiabuna obutumiki bw'ebinyuwa byo gotinda bitancheri wabere bokoera sechinsemo au emergency ya Kenya kwana chinga kiecho nigo mokonyi bwo murai wense Rigathi Gachagua abaga kumerana nabo obisa asensemo ya Nakuru asachika abanyanyimbo korwa Sech County 14 asorogongo rwa Rift Valley kwene kiabuna nko bwatira nabale elio kwene kiabuna nko rwa nabale obotumeki oboenki naboigo obonya bw'ebinyuwa byo gotinda ebyo bitancheri.
Rigathi Gachagua boigoni government rebuna bali baranyorekane bakwebwatirania samangana ya maryogo yogo tindia century tante irime mukirige tambukire kolengana nelichiko nigabo ribona abanyimbo kuri county chiko mnenye ko ene kingo bwatirana bale amo nabagambira na bakonyi babo eliko nyara gosiria muri tante irgo ikase binyoro imeno nabo ni government rebuna abagambi bali bakwebwatirania na maryogo yogo tindia soko nyara ko wa mahaki asebinyoro mbachi ko mukirige tambukire tindi kolengana nelichiko.
Personally, I must admit, I used to drink a lot before I got saved. But since I stopped drinking, my things have been very good. That's how I'm deputy president. So I invite those who drink to consider to stop, to drop it. Maybe your things will get better. None of us has a problem with alcohol. But we have a problem with the poison in the name of alcohol. that we have a problem. We have a big problem with poison put in bottles and sachets and described as alcohol. That we have a problem. None of us has a problem with licensed establishments. But we have a problem with licensed establishments selling poison as alcohol. We have a problem. None of us has a problem with licensed establishments selling the right products. But we have a problem with the licensed establishments selling alcohol from 6 a.m. to 6 a.m. the following day. That we have a problem. We have a problem with the people who have opened factories in their houses and distilleries and are in hygienic conditions and they are not licensed. That we have a problem. We have a problem with the people who are bringing ethanol across the Tanzanian border in Namanga at night and using it to manufacture poison under the guise of alcohol. We have a problem with that. We are very happy with police officers who are doing a good job. But we have a serious problem with a few of them who have conflict of interest, who have opened bars in the areas where they serve. We have a problem. We have a problem with our police officers who are collecting protection fees. We have a problem with our police officers who are supposed to go and arrest drunkards, but they are more drunk than the people they are going to arrest. That we have a problem.
Nechinga kiaba Kenya bagenderete kwemurunganiria ogokonga kwobogima anene kubwatikana no komenta kwa maguri ebintu nigabara ikorwase obomo bwa azimio la umoja wa Kenya barobeire kumera na abori tukoria angyo ere kokwanira enganiye
korengana no murai wabake anene kurwase kiamekyo pia wanda yinigate beruna mbachi komena litukoria angya watani abo bazimio wa Kenya kunyara kumulekera igoro yokonga kwobogima chinga kechi nigabate bire mbachi kumulekera amangana rengetso gwete wa financial bill okubona ko gotebekana gokuno chwa ekerango gisatu asemia kyabo kuremere mu beserekari aso mu bazimio batebire bambari go chiwanchana lichi kiriko nyara wetigwa asana no bagendrete ko muchumura Vincent William Samuel Ruto anaso gotaka lichi kirio lichi goitwa.
And we expect it to be a full house. As you know, our members are on a long recess and this is going to be the last week. This is actually the last week of the recess. So in preparation for the resumption of parliamentary business on the 6th of June, we are also going to delve into the raging matter, the very, very important matter of Finance Bill 2023. So we are inviting all our members who are within the territory of the Republic of Kenya to ensure that they attend this very important parliamentary group meeting in person. And even those who may be out of the country and are unable to make arrangements to be in the country by tomorrow 10 a.m., please do so.
Chumulikiro bono asoroboti urubuna abwatani bazimio wa Kenya bachikomera na litukoria ankyo urogotero mutumokomba kutunyara mache tumakwira na sentunde ya kabere kolenda sebono
tokwira sensemo ya kabere ya studio heri tumwarigani Victor Sultanu manabo banya tumanyibuna nara ya twariganirite korwa Emanyie chigosori to basagoskare.
Bemuno Everline OSER0 na Vincent Onyancha kurwa sensemende studio mwancho muligelia ngoro kwa Victor Sultano bangi kukwarigania ase Emanyie chigosoli nkomanyali agenda kukolekana kurwa ase ebiti asorogongoro Gusii na boigo isiko yorogongoro Gusii tuchakire ase county ya Nyamira abwa ase chisukuru ase chigosoli chesukuru chisekondari sensemeri ya zonal level chachakabene litukolia lero ase zone ya township me county ya Nyamira Mulikito job mangi na ikiranaro kuligerelia bene buna chikosori chicha kire litukolia lero timu ya Senator Kebaso yesukuri ya Senator Kebaso sensemo y'umupira w'amagoro nigo yabayikora timu ya Nyamira Boys gose ikora timu ya Nyamira Boys chigolinye 6 chingaki Nyamira Boys boigo bagenda makarine timu ya Gesole goliyemo seyemo Senator Kebaso boigo bayikorwa ne timu ya Gesole chigolivere seyemo abuna sensemelia y'umupira w'amagoro sensemo y'umupira volleyball Senator nigo baikorwa chigo baikora timu ya Gasore chigolinye aseyamo usechisetinya aseyamo chinga Nyamira Boys baira obobwe chiseti sato ase rigana lyesegero enseme yo usechinga kibara Gosori ya timu ya Gasore twerere Gosori ya volleyball buna yalenge yamo aseyamo Mwancho muligile kutikana na yongo iro ikase ligi ya FKF Division 2 ase Gosori ya Gosori tigweli tukole igoro chinsemo chigeti kya Nyamirako timu ya White Hat FC ni go yanyorete embura yechigoli kurwa timu ya Ichuni combined magayoko baikora chigolinye ase ye Ichuni combined igegerante kora ligi yo ya Division 2 ase go ikirabono ekora ligi ino point ya 39
Kaliana, one action bana.
Chinga kichi Gosori chocha FKF Division 2 gose timu ya Ichuni combined etikaletie Gosori emoyoka ekole series gose chigosori chocha Division 2 aba mashabiki be timu yonigo bago keire amatumaini ngana babara chigosoka gochia se entunda ekobwatia
Asa Marita igongoro ku Boniface achikaroni CEO ye timu ya Ichuni combined FC Igonde no mogoko munene asinge nchuli tukulero to watu mpira ikase geti Kenya Mirako agije timu ya White Hat igo to wakanya sanga biemo na singe nchu twanyere kubato konyoro buburi na ende go ikabono iga buna mobiro yagendrete iga igo ture na mbeyemo to wa touch point 31 na ende buna twanyorire chisatu twanyere kubato kwenda 34 igo lende go to gusabanga mobiro le bosi yaito mwanche to bwene ndati fan Nyuma twanyoriro buyobwo igotora nyale ko batoko ba nambe ya mugo chest playoff igoli tanganite to gwakera ngambia mona se sponsor yeto omo sketchers ya mutoke oyo kolire gasie nkong asingi jogo sire timu ekuri nyato ko bage guchaka amagana ya transport buna bamura bawo ikasegeti amagana echi lunch buna mura bakonyore transport yabo chiri pari bako ba wakanu asegeti okolire gasie nkong goto kumasabira maya asing'encho nyetagere kango bubuye buntura abanyora chitimu chinyinge chiko nyako bachiko ikaso mupira asing'encho ya finance igoto gwakira mushimwa bono asing'encho nyako bagakure support yeyo abana baitu banyare ko bagwetoma byana barabwo bono turochinga ngonyora turubo bwi ko batoko ganda division 1
boni gatwatira sakuru kuga nakige tigire koruko timu kitwabwate waitatire ni batangana batonyonja yemo lakini twatebana engoko kyabikiriri genelimo ti kurariri kuikebe kayande twamanya kurumega bano twaba mentama genande bona ngo chire kurare twabaka 4-1
Rire na mange agendrete korwa ligi ya National Super League ya NSL timu ya Shabana bado mbagendete kora ligi kulinda sebono tetengo iroika ase ligi ya Kenya Premier League abwa se timu ya Gor Mahia ya siretiri bagalia bene yoko irana asobora ibwe ligi maiga yo gwanchirana draw yo gutabikana goal yende ne timu ya Tusker obenyorete point ya mogosuka gochia seli baga litanga goseko gosuka gochia seli baga litangani bikarabono Tusker ni go bale ne chi point ya 50 mo na isano asobora ibwe ligi Gor Mahia ni go egendrete koro kichidalili choko babuna Arsenal para ligi ya sengige kege tambe kolende chinga kichomo elio mangana akaba eng'enche ndetwerere gosori egati ya Gor Mahia ne timu ya Tusker. Chinga kyo mokocha bwe timu ya Tusker ni gagwekerete draw ibanyarete konyora na kwenyarira point yeyemo agotebuna Tusker negichiko gendera kobeko mokia sokone kinga ngoira bare league se round inde Robert Matano ni gaterebuna ego enkoyo goseri enkoyo sense ya Kenya ni gegendete gokina na chikone kinga timu ya Tusker ngobekere emekakati ya bene egere echikoira league.
I thought we score a goal, but the linesman refused. A cross from right, it cannot be an offside position, but that's the way it is. But all in all, the game was balanced. We got some chances, we didn't bar it, and that is draw, 0-0. I'm happy we didn't consider, and we are still on top. We are going to fight until the end. You can be up and down, but as far as you are consistent and you are focused on what you are doing, we maintained Gor Mahia, contained them. Second half, they started playing long behind us. I wonder, and I'm surprised, even Gor Mahia can play long balls. I thought it is Tusker. Our coach have been criticizing me. We are playing bad football, what? But I didn't say anything. Where we can learn from the Mzungu person. In fact, we played better football than him. So you cannot kill aloud with the stones. Remember.
Senseme ya mokocha bwe timu ya Gor Mahia Jonathan McKinstry ni go atago kerete emirimo yakoletwe ne referee se gatigeti Auta una nonya na Gor Mahia ne chikogendera kubeko mokia ko erekinga sentunda ya merongevere nkonya kuabale kombe ya KPL.
A bit unlucky. Austin's had an air shot in the first half. There's been one or two others. Again, Austin's broke free. And it's just unfortunate it's in a moment when both Boniface Omondi and Luasa are both on the same side of the pitch. There was no right winger in the moment. And again, we've had a couple of free kick opportunities. But yeah, I thought overall, look, I think a draw is probably a fair result. But you have to go back and look. And look, I know we don't have VAR in this league, and it's probably a while before we are. But it's a definite red card for Otieno in the first half. When you go back, he elbows Dennis Nanga not once but twice off the ball. When it happens the first time, we call the fourth official's attention to it, and then it happens again 5 or 10 seconds later. Off the ball, direct elbow to the head, and if there was VAR or if the lines person or the referee sees it, it's a definite red card and a 3-game suspension.
Una naika gotebia timu ya Tusker niga gendete kora eligi ikirabono no 1.50 mona isano timu ya Gor Mahia siribagari kabiri 1.50 mona inye timu ya Nzoia Sugar 1.50 mo Police babwati siribagari ya kane 1.50 na isano na ibere chitimu aba igonchi agosoreti elite koregoro ligi yo ya KPL gatiabo timu ya Talanta nigo yaba ikolete timu ya Kakamega Homeboys golia ya mo sirigenesegero chingaki timu ya Bandari yaba gete timu ya Wazito golia ya mo sirigenesegero Tusker bunana kirogote bya ikanyenda makaliyo gotebekana Gor golia ndene timu ya Gor Mahia chingaki Bidco United bachi timakali yechigoli sisato ne timu ya Vihiga United ritkolia era mwancho muligelia timu ya AFC Leopards nigo yanyora osea yanyora ogoikorwa se timu ya Vihiga gosenchiko kumanyanga timu elie bachi oikorwa korwa se timu yo usa ligi ya ne kiwali ritkolia igo litkolia lero yo nagati yali agenda tokorekana ligi ya Kenya Premier League. Wanchumulgira inaro nabwate korwa ensemo ya Emanyie Gusii kolende inyoranga ebiminano byo moyo bye ligi ya English Premier League byagosole tigweli tkolegoro chitimu chikenyorera obobuye chinde chikanyara gosukiwo chiase ligi eli ya inse kolende chiwe kachinsa isotoni nchyo komanyia yo sobwagale kolenda singe nchyo chinsa goro kwa Victor Sultano bangi buna butambe ipo siku tuzidishenia jalali halali.
Ndizi TV Obwansu Gusii.
Ambia mwana Victor Sultan kurwa asensemende studio anasogo tumanyia igoro yechi gosori into tumanyia chigosori bari.
Mwancho murigeri gwekiraga no togokorera Emanyie Jumatato ensemo yabona mugoroba kuri nto basauskare chikoraga chinse sotondo chikumirana naye eruto kumanyie amanke.
Nyarabona bokondera gutobwate nsemeri mtandao Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital na bogya nsemeri ya YouTube na bogotana buna Ndizi TV News.
Aso mtandao Twitter na bogo twitwetera @Ndizi TV News eri togendere gusanga na boigo kwemanyia amankeri triane Everline OSER0.
Ulitore kubwatira nero gwetira sumu na boimanyeririo Joshua Auta News Master Vincent Onyancha.